Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukanrat ke Sangma Hakashipho Tarek Naiwim, Ulak Pulong Kajing Jurip, Yakajing Pentre, Yaka Eklavia Model Residential School EMRS, Hakashnong Umladkhur, Hapo Amnaram Subdivision, West Giant Hills District, Kaba Kajing Pentre Menta Kaladap Haduk Kumba Hinyo Po Percent. Kanika project kadai kabalabe tingka da National Education Society for Tribal Students hapo jong ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs ka Sarkar India hakajing mang kabal sapusan klur tingka bat ya kabala pentre da WAP COS Limited New Delhi kanika jing na jurip lasan ran lang ya Menteri Rangba da Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi ubala kamen rumbui nalor ki he ofsal Sarkar na kitanat paper nalor kinongalam shnong Nakalyang ukonrat ke sangma ula ong bahadin balala pendap ya kanika project kanika school kan penyar ka jing ajing syakri hapo kathan bat kan kla longkum ka shlam nakabenta ka imlang salang per ka jingkiw ha ka jing nang jing stan hapo kathan hi barok away nalor kata ula btha ru iki kontraktor bat iki officer badai kmi ban pynsted ya kam knang ba kanika school kan la ban sedang trekam purano nadu uni usnam arjar rio but knang ban plilat iki kna bikin yo ban sedang no iki jingpuli ki jongki klam da penslam shu.
Now we are standing right here. Behind us is the girls' hostel. In front of us is the school building. And then we have the girls' hostel towards our left side and that side. And we have two staff quarters. One is type 2 and one is type 3. Where in type 2 we have 10 flats and in type 3 we have 16 flats. And we have two basketball. We have two basketball courts, one for the boys, one for the girls, and two volleyball. And also we have the running track and the archery. It's towards that side. And we have the warden also. We have a G+1 where one for the warden for the boys hostel and another one for the girls hostel. And the principal quarters is just beside the girls hostel. So this is the main day of transit. And
progress.
Yes, right in the month of July 2023, and the commencement of the work because due to the late handing over, it was commenced in 2024. So this construction was taken over under the paved infrastructure. It is from Syllad, and right now, sir, so overall it's 70%, and we only have the problem with the road, electricity, and portable as already discussed in this stage.
Quality.
And the quality also is done by the IIT Guwahati and also from the district construction committee. They have come here to visit, sir. So you want to start with?
So we are here in Umladkhur village, and here this is the EMRS project that's going on, and it's coming up very well. We expect that the EMRS should be functional. The building should be complete by early next year, and the school should be functional by the end of the year. So it's a great project, and we're very happy that this project is coming up well. And then you said jointly, and then
You will review the scale, the last scale, because here in this block only 2.
Yes.
So that in Eastern Tier 2. So you review the thing because I think some they have issue with land till now. So please see that they have to move fast. It is only
I think only 4 or 5
five land is, yeah.
More or less we have resolved all of them now.
Yeah, sir.
So this one was the last one is I think gently I think most are resolved.
Except last scale to some extent
Much
because we shift the site.
Okay.
So, but we want that this, as per the thing, that by 31st March,
It should be complete.
because the next academic session we are able to start with. Sir, he come personally here to see that what thing is to be done. So he will handhold this thing.
So we can start the academic session next year. अपना target वही है. चलो.
चल जाएगा.
People are there just say.
Everyone present out here, our respected Minister for Education, Malakamin Rambui, all the other officials who are present out here, and the firms and the organizations involved in building this EMRS. I first of all would like to thank all of you for coming here for this short program where we have come to see the work of this EMRS. I'm happy to inform you that the work is going on very well, and we expect that by 31st of March and early April, we should be able to complete the civil work and the building work. And I'm hoping that we should be able to start the academic year by next year itself, so that the children can start getting education out here in this EMRS school. So I would like to once again thank the contractors and all the officials for the dedicated work that they have shown. And once again would like to reiterate that this work should finish by March end 2026. I also would like Malakmen to maybe translate and just give a word in the local dialect.
តទីកណកពរដាប់វិសាក្មែនហៅជីបនិសារអបុរមឡៅទីនេះក៏ជាងឡៅជីបនិសារដៃក៏យ៉ាងណាទីកណកថោតហាកាំងជុម៉ាហើយបាកណកស្គូរក៏ដអងនុតឌីគីនីគីថាញ់ឌីនេះហាជុម៉ាន់ក៏ជូស្ដាំងណតែកាត់កាយក៏ជាងមកជីបនិសារក៏ជាអា share big officer តពីពោម៉ាសអរចារពនរៀវតជំដិបជាកណកស្គូរទៅជីបនិសារអាយគឺលេវហា officer ហើយ contractor ai khub leu ha ki aksat tang lang bro ai khub leu ha chnong ba ki aksat tai lang tin mi por the kermen skemi belang tisnem tu ajar pun riu to ka de skur to chu sedang ka lem ba ka dia ai tai lang ka chong dui te khubis
Oh, thank you. Garang Bashram is here. Yes. Oh, you're Garang Bashram. Thank you. Thank you so much for the land also. You've been so supportive. Without your support, this would not be possible. I want to thank you for your support. And we will ensure that we do it fast, and then the whole benefit will go to the children of this area. So it's very, very lucky that you've got this, and as I said, we'll ensure that we finish it fast. Is there anything you would like to say to us? Anything you'd like to mention?
We just welcome you to the village wholeheartedly for your work you've done for coming to this village.
Thank you so much.